Now we're filming. God, I soaked my boat. Guys, I pulled a bonehead move. I got a pile of water in the back of my boat right now. I'm an idiot. Well, guys, time to admit I'm an idiot. Guess what time of the year it is, folks? Well, if you used to watch cartoons, it's not rabbit season, it's duck season. And boys are hunting back in the marsh back here, so I'm not gonna be that jerk that rolls up out there on them. So I respect that. You know, I've duck hunted a few times, so I wouldn't want anybody rolling up on me. So I'm gonna run across the lake. I'm gonna get back way over there. We're gonna trim down and run over. There's a little area called Bird Island, which is in front of us. I don't know if you can see that little blip of a house out there in the end. Pretty neat. There's a house out there on an island. I would literally just sell like my kidneys on the black market or liver or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out. And I need that house. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna run over. We got on them here the other day, so we're gonna see if they're back. I missed a couple real nice ones. Fur missed a couple real nice fish too. So he's still getting the hang of flipping, and heck, apparently I am too. I missed 8 fish yesterday. Eight fish. Like, I don't understand it. So I just got to straighten myself out and act right, I guess. But all right, guys, I'm gonna idle up out. There's a couple hydrilla beds out here. I'm gonna idle up past that and haul tail over the other side of the lake, see what we can get into. So we will see you guys shortly. This is a bummer right here, guys. I was wondering what this was floating. Check it out. Nice bass dead right there. Pretty nice bass too. Something's been eating at it though. Hate to see that. About a 3-pounder dead right there. Yep, he's been getting chewed on pretty darn good too. He's been dead for a minute. What an absolute bummer. Something's already ate the tail off of him. So that sucks, guys. I hate to see that, but hey, they want to keep spraying. We'll keep having nice fish floating. So hate to see it, guys. We'll see you later. A little one, guys, finally. There he is. Tiny little dink fish there. Little Harris chain baby. But hey, I'll take him right now, man. I'll take him. That's a good way to break the ice right there, folks. Black little fish, dark, man. Dark little fish. Oh, he's got lice on him. Let's get that lice off of him real quick. I think it's lice. It's some kind of a parasite that they get on him. Got it out. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's our first little dink of the day. We're going to go ahead and get him on out of here and get to the next one. Hopefully his great-great-granddaddy shows up. Or grandma. Actually, I'm looking for grandma today. But all right, guys, we're going to get him back. And there he goes. Fresh under the boat. And out the other side he went. All right, guys. That's one on the board. Hopefully one of about 20. So we're just going to keep flipping out of this canal. Get back on the shoreline here on the main bulk of the lake and keep going. I just missed one right... Probably not even 20 feet behind it. I just missed another one. So, and then there was a baby gator, so I went around him, and sure enough, the next place I pitched, there was one home. So, but all right, guys, I'm gonna hop off here and see what we can do. All right, bye, y'all. Laid on the camera, another dink right there, boys. Another dink. Hopefully my YOLO's running and caught that. Get out of this tree real quick. There it is, guys, just a tiny little dink. This Lake Griffin baby. I don't know where all the big ones are at. So let's see, he went straight back in there. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna pull down, guys, and re-rig. I done killed another nuke punch, and see where we're going. All right, we'll be back with you guys here shortly. Bye, y'all. All right, guys, I just want to show you guys a little trick here real quick. Looks like an ordinary bandito bug, right? Except it's missing a claw and ripped in half and everything. It was a fish catching machine, but hold on. What's that? That is a rattle out of a rattling chunk. So anytime you have an old rattling chunk, I was actually flipping with rattling chunks yesterday, but you know, a lot of guys use them as jig trailers. I use them as jig trailers a lot too. You just pull this glass bead out. You can also buy these glass beads, but you know, I've got some, but it was a lot easier just to grab this one because that you know, I had those spent rattling chunks. So, but anyways, guys, just real quick, I just pinch it right into the body of it, right in the middle of it usually. That way it's not interfering with the hook where it comes through the point there or down where the hook sinks in there. And right now I switched up. I did have to go to a 2 ounce weight. I usually have like a 1.5 ounce Guggen tungsten. I switched up to 2. We were having problems here last time with being able to punch through some of these thick mats, and then especially yesterday I was fishing on floating land mats, and it was really hard to get through some of the holes on that and punch through. So I switched to a 2. I may actually switch that back. I have one of my backup flipping sticks still rigged with 1.5 ounces. So anytime I'm doing hardcore flipping, like if that's all I'm doing during the day, I'll have one rod rigged up with like a 1/2, another rod rigged up. You know, I'll have like probably 3 different rods that I decide to flip with. But anyways, guys, this right here could be the difference between a fish biting and not biting. So there's that. Anybody else do that? Drop it in the comments. Let me know if you do. All right, see you guys. Got another one, guys. This one's a little better, I think. There's it a mud. Oh, nope. Frickin' mudfish. God dang it. I hate mudfish, man. I hate mudfish. It's a fat daggone mudfish, too. Look at that. Golly. Put power poles down real quick. That is a fat frickin' mudfish. Holy crap. God, dog, he is big, man. Hey, I just was trying to get a mudfish off the hook when you called me. I just caught about a 5-pound mudfish, and he flipped off the hook. I was gonna answer the phone and see if you'd video call me real quick so you could see him. He's freaking huge, dude. I didn't even get a picture of him. You'll see it on the YOLO. But hold on one second. Guys, just like clockwork, every time I catch a fish, either my phone rings during the middle of it or after. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the camera real quick, y'all. That was a nice about 4 or 5 pound fat mudfish. It caught me off guard because mudfish should have already spawned, but you know, you never know. They might be spawning late because of crappy weather. So, all right, I'm gonna talk to Fur on the phone real quick, re-rig, and I'll be right back to you guys. Bye. Holy cow, guys. This is a big lady back here. That's an awfully big gator back here, guys. Whoa, man. I was a little bit startled coming around the corner. It's one thing to dabble with a 4 or 5 footer. That, my friend, is a big lady. She's big. I'm gonna cut the camera and see if maybe I can't get some pictures of her on my phone. My God, what a big gator. Oh my goodness. You see her back there, guys? All right, I'm gonna cut this real quick and see if I can get a picture. Look at that gator. Oh, there she goes. Whoa, that scared you. That'll wake you up, boys. I did not want to startle her. I was literally just about to put the dang power poles down so I could get a good look at her and get a nice picture of the old girl there. But my Lord, that was a big gator. All right, guys. I'm gonna cut this and yep. Hey, anybody down to go swimming? I got a good spot for you. All right, guys. I'm gonna flip all this here real quick and see what I can do. All right, bye. Got one, guys. Finally capitalized on a fish. God dang. Whew. There's one, boys. Put the power poles down here. There we go. There she is, guys. There she is. I knew it was gonna be good over here flipping. About a pound and a quarter maybe. Let's get her on a scale real quick, just for the heck of it. 1 pound, 11 ounces. 1 pound, 11 ounces. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Turn the scale off. 1 pound, 11 ounce. All right, baby girl, let's get you back into your home here. All right, you ready? Can you see her down there again? All right, let's get her in the water. Snatched on her pretty hard there. There she goes. Got me soaked. God dang. Okay, guys, well, that's a good way to end the day. I've been grinding so hard that I'm about to fall over. So all right, guys, we're just going to fish our way out of this little cove we're in and see what we can come up with, and then we got to get out of here. There's bad storm line coming, so we got to get on out of here. So we'll catch up with you guys later on. All right, guys, I'm back in the truck. We're loaded up, locked down. I got to stop by Brooker's Bait and Tackle down here in Leesburg, Florida, pick me up some more black and blue nuke punches if they've got them. I have burned through 3 bags in a week, so that's interesting. But yeah, guys, slow day. The fish are still acting weird. I stopped at a couple, probably 6 brush piles and looked, and if y'all want to catch some specks, boy, I'll tell you, I marked the one, but man, there's probably 60 specks just on one brush pile. I sat there and counted them. It is insane. I of course, the one day I don't leave a speck rod in my rod locker, dumb. But anyways, you know, we got 3, we got 1 mudfish. I lost like 4 or 5. I really think I'm gonna change back to an 1.5 ounce weight. I don't know what it is. Ever since I switched to a 2 to try to punch through some of these mats, It just hasn't worked. So I'm gonna probably switch back to 1.5 ounces on my heavy setup. And then, like I said earlier in a previous clip, you know, I keep like a 3/4 ounce or something on another one, maybe 1 ounce, sometimes even 1/2 if it's light, if I'm just pitching up into reeds and stuff where there's no grass mats or anything like that. I'm 1/2 ounce sometimes will do it. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys riding along with me. Like I said, I gotta hit the bait shop real quick, and we have a pretty nasty storm coming, so I gotta hurry home and go ahead and get the boat covered up and everything. So again, I appreciate you guys. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe, go ahead and turn on the bell notification, and subscribe or turn that on. That way you guys can be the first ones to watch it whenever we post. We got a lot of content, hopefully a lot more coming. It's about to be pre-spawn, guys, so I plan on fishing a whole heck of a lot once that starts. So we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.